everyone, welcome back once again to my channel Dr. Asmani's Glam and Gorgeous. So Diwali is just coming soon and you all want to look glowing and healthy. So friends, if you want to have a real healthy glow on your skin, I'm going to suggest you some quick fix tips which you can do at home by yourself. So firstly, in your diet, you need to add a few things to your daily diet. Like you can start having green tea, which is a great source of antioxidants, which is very, very good for your skin as well as for your hair. And you'll get an inner glow, friends, by having green tea daily. You can even have some kind of a herbal tea containing tulsi, neem and cloves, which will also boost your immunity in general and will also give you a glowing and healthy skin. Another thing is you can add some vitamin E sources in your diet daily. Like you can start having seeds, all kinds of seeds and nuts. Like you can include flax seeds in your diet, which is again very good for your skin. You can include all kinds of nuts like walnuts, almonds, pistachios. Have 2 to 3 walnuts and 2 to 3 almonds daily, which will again give a very nice glow to your skin, friends. So friends, do start having green tea on a daily basis, which will also boost your immunity and give you a healthy and glowing skin. You can have all kinds of nuts and seeds as I mentioned before. Also, flax seeds are both internally good as well as externally. You can prepare a flaxseed gel. You can add some handful of flax seeds to boiling water and you can cool this down. It will become a gel-like consistency, and you can add some aloe vera gel also to this, and you can apply it on your skin daily externally for say a week's time or 10 days time, and it'll really improve your skin texture and give you a healthy and glowing skin, friends. Another kind of homemade DIY kind of a facial which you can do at home with all the natural ingredients, which I'm going to tell you right now, is a rice flour facial. So friends, what you can do, this includes all the steps like cleansing, scrubbing and a face pack. So I'm going to tell you step by step how you can do this just prior to Diwali or prior to any festival or any party you have to go. Just do prior say a week's time or 10 days. You can start doing this kind of natural facial at home and it will obviously give you a great and glowing skin. Also, amongst the diet part, you can start having daily carrot juice. You can start having beetroot juice. Over a period of time, this will help you in giving a great and glowing skin. So let's get back to the DIY facial. So the rice flour facial which I'm talking about is a very easy and natural facial which you can do it by yourself at home. So firstly, you need to do the cleansing step. So here you can use a natural cleanser, say like raw milk, or you can use cucumber juice and cleanse your face thoroughly with this. This is the first step. You can even use a cleanser which you get in the market like Cetaphil cleanser. But if you want to go the natural way, just use simple raw milk or cucumber juice, which will help in cleansing all the impurities over the face, and your face gets ready for the next step. So the next step will be scrubbing. So friends, in the scrubbing step, what you need to do is take 2 to 3 tablespoons of rice flour. So rice flour you get easily, it's available in your kitchen. Just take 2 to 3 tablespoons of rice flour, and what you have to do is you have to add, if you are having dry skin, then add 4 to 5 tablespoons of milk to it. You can add raw milk to it and make it into a paste like consistency. Now if you are having oily skin, friends, do not add milk, instead add water, plain water to this. Okay, so if you are having dry skin, add raw milk. If you are having oily skin, add plain water to the rice flour. 2 tablespoons of rice flour and 4 to 5 tablespoons of raw milk or plain water for oily skin. Now make this into a paste like consistency, and you have to apply it all over your face, forehead, cheeks, chin, everywhere, all over your face. Let it dry for say 2 to 3 minutes, and then you have to scrub it all over your face like this, in this circular kind of motion over your forehead, chin, cheeks, everywhere. Now you have to scrub this in the circular motion. This will also increase the blood circulation, and externally the dead cells will get removed, and the superficially the dead cells will slough off, and the fresh looking younger skin will be shown. It will be shown externally and it will come up. The dead layer skin cell will go off. So friends, what you need to do. So friends, now let's go to the final step, that is the face pack. This is the most important step. What you can do is you can add 2 to 3 tablespoons of rice flour powder, add 4 tablespoonfuls of rose water to this. You can make this face pack. This is the first face pack. Now I'm going to tell you one more face pack. So this face pack, what you have to do is make it into a thick paste kind of consistency and apply it all over your face. Now the second face pack I'm going to tell you is for dry skin people. What you can do is you can take 2 tablespoons of rice flour. You can add 2 to 3 tablespoons of raw milk to this and 2 tablespoons of honey to this. Make it into a fine paste and apply it all over your face. The people having oily skin can use curds instead of raw milk. So what you can do is 2 tablespoons of rice flour, 2 to 3 tablespoons of curds and 2 to 3 tablespoons of honey. Make a nice face pack out of all these ingredients and apply it on your face. Keep it for around 15 to 20 minutes till it dries up. Then you have to wash it with warm water. Do not scrub your face in this step, but just wash it softly and wash it clean. You'll find an instant glow on your face after this procedure. Repeat this procedure say twice a week or even thrice a week just before Diwali, and you are bound to get healthy and glowing skin, friends. So try this DIY rice flour facial at home and you are going to get a healthy and glowing skin. And also the other steps which I mentioned in the diet. So internally also you'll get detoxed and your skin will start glowing just before Diwali. So do try these face packs and the diet part which I told you, and you're going to glow this Diwali. So friends, do follow my videos and like and subscribe my channel henceforth. There'll be more exciting upcoming videos coming. So do stay hooked to the channel and do share and subscribe my channel.